Hello, folks. Today, we're going to dive into the detailed review of Xiaomi's latest flagship model, the Xiaomi 13T Pro. This phone stands out with its top-tier features, so let's take a YouTuber's perspective and explore every detail. In terms of design, the Xiaomi 13T Pro shares similarities with its predecessor, the 13 Pro. However, the ceramic back of the black version stands out, featuring a reflective surface and fingerprint sensitivity, presenting a design that might be subject to aesthetic debates. Nevertheless, in terms of durability, it's robust, featuring a screen protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and an IP68 certification, providing resistance against water and dust. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display steals the spotlight with vibrant and rich colors. The dynamic 144Hz refresh rate takes gaming and video experiences to the next level. Thanks to LTPO technology, the screen can automatically switch between 30Hz and 144Hz, offering an ideal balance between performance and battery life. The dual stereo speakers deliver impressive audio quality. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset and paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, the Xiaomi 13T Pro ensures powerful performance. Storage options range from 256GB to 1TB, catering to users who demand ample storage capacity. The camera system on the Xiaomi 13T Pro includes a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP wide-angle lens. The 50MP telephoto lens excels in zoom performance, while the wide-angle lens may show some loss of detail in certain situations. Night mode and 8K video recording capabilities strengthen the camera system. Running on Android 13 with Xiaomi's customized MIUI 14 skin, the phone offers a user-friendly interface. While MIUI has a slightly different look and feel compared to other Android interfaces, it provides easy access to common settings and notifications. The pre-installed apps, including those from Xiaomi, may be a drawback, but MIUI's commitment to updates, with 4 years of Android version updates and 5 years of security updates, is noteworthy. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the Xiaomi 13T Pro offers decent but not exceptional battery life, influenced by the high refresh rate and powerful processor. However, the highlight is the super-fast 120W wired charging, providing a full charge within 30 minutes. The pricing of the Xiaomi 13T Pro is competitive considering the features it offers. Starting with the base model of 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, it presents an attractive price-to-performance ratio. However, when compared to rival models, it's essential to reconsider preferences. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 13T Pro stands out with its powerful hardware, impressive cameras, and fast charging capability. Nevertheless, some considerations regarding software preferences and battery life may make users weigh their options based on their needs and preferences. I hope this detailed review has been enlightening for you. Stay informed about such content by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until our next video, goodbye.